In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add power-ups in Trello. Power-ups are extra features you can add to your Trello boards to help you work smarter. They let you connect tools like calendars, automation, or third-party apps directly into your board, so you can keep more of your workflow in one place. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process of finding and adding a power-up to any Trello board you already have. Start by opening your Trello account in your browser or app and navigate to the board where you want to add a power-up. This might be a project board, a personal planning board, or a team board. Make sure you're on the main board view where you can see your lists and cards. You'll also want to ensure you have the right permissions. If it's a team board, you may need to be an admin to manage power-ups. Once your board is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, usually labeled as Show Menu or part of the board options. Click on these 3 dots to open the board menu. This menu is where Trello keeps most of the settings and customization options for your board. In this menu, look for the option called Power Ups. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Power Ups section for your board. Here you can see any power ups you already have enabled, as well as a directory of available ones you can add. You'll now see a list or grid of power ups, each with a name, a short description, and an add button. Browse through the options or use the search bar if you're looking for something specific, like a calendar, time tracking, or integrations with other tools you use. When you find a power-up that seems useful, click the add button next to it. A more detailed panel will appear with additional information about that power-up, including what it does and any permissions it needs. Take a moment to read this so you understand how it will work on your board. When you're ready to proceed, click on Add Again in this detail view to confirm. Trello will then enable the power-up on your board, and you'll usually see new buttons or options related to it. From here, you can explore its settings and start using it within your workflow.